guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make super creamy and perfectly tangy lemon creme brulee that's actually made with lemon juice, not just the lemon zest or lemon oil. I struggle a little bit to make this recipe because you may have experienced this before, but when you combine milk and lemon juice, milk tends to separate because of the acid in lemon juice. And also the filling got much looser when lemon juice is added. So I tried with much less lemon juice, but then it was not lemony enough. But after some trials and errors, I finally came up with the way super creamy yet perfectly tangy creme brulee made with fresh lemon juice. So I'm so excited to share it with you today. So let's dive in. Okay, so first in the bowl add granulated sugar and lemon zest. And the secret ingredient is cornstarch. It helps to thicken the looser lemon filling and make it perfectly creamy. Whisk them until you don't see any lumps of cornstarch. And add egg yolks to this. So we don't use egg whites today, but you can also store that for other desserts such as macarons, meringue, and so on. And mix them right away until combined. Add honey. The flavor goes so well with lemon juice. And with your timing, start heating heavy cream. So I love adding vanilla beans to my creme brulee. If you don't have it, if you cannot get it, you can certainly add vanilla extract. So just open that up and do a little surgery and scrape it off. Pew! And heat it up just until it starts simmering. And squeeze lemon juice. Very generous amount goes in. And whisk until well combined. It's very important to add lemon juice to the yolk mixture and not to the heavy cream to prevent the heavy cream from curdling more. Once the cream starts simmering gently, you're gonna add it to the egg mixture. Add a little bit of heavy cream first. Mix. We do not want to add all the cream at once because then the egg yolk might get cooked partially. So repeat this until you add all the heavy cream. And add milk. To the very end, scrape off the sides and the bottom of the bowl to ensure everything is evenly incorporated. And let's strain it to make extra smooth filling. I like to lay kitchen paper or thin cloth on the baking tray so that the heat gets delivered a little bit more gently. And I'll adjust so that each gets about the same amount. And if you see any bubbles on the surface, you can pop them with the torch. All right, and now let's bake. Slowly bring it to the oven. Don't step out. And slowly add the hot simmering water from the side. I usually pour it up to about the height of the filling. Bye-bye. So compared to regular classic creme brulee, it takes longer to bake lemon creme brulee. So it's crucial to bake them enough to avoid loose filling. So as an example, this is too jiggly still. The filling is not going to set properly when you take them out here. And this is perfect. It jiggles just slightly. The water is very hot right after they are baked. Once it cools down a little bit, you can take them out. and chill them in the fridge for more than 6 hours or overnight ideally. Once chilled completely, coat the surface with a thin layer of granulated sugar. I love the paper thin caramel topping. It breaks delicately in your mouth and it just tastes amazing. And touch the surface. So be careful not to burn the surface a lot, like too much. I feel the lemon flavor goes better with just a touch of bitterness. And it is done. As option, decorate them as you like. This is a perfect dessert for after dinner, as afternoon dessert for home parties. It is so tangy, smooth, and creamy, and I think you're gonna love it if you love lemon desserts like me. If you tried it, please let me know about how you enjoyed it for your special event. Wrap the surface tightly with plastic wrap and store in the fridge. And here is the summary of the tips to make them taste exceptional. Thanks for watching, enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye! Crème Brulee, Crème Brulee, Brulée, Crème Brulee.